Is your Temu app crashing? Here's how to fix it. First, make sure your Temu app is up to date. You can either go to App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and check for any available updates. If the app is already updated, try restarting your device. This can help resolve minor glitches. Another option is to clear the cache. Go to Settings and Apps, then search for Temu app. Now here in the storage option, you can see the clear cache option. Tap on it to clear the cache. If the app still crashes, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. If the app continues to crash, contact Temu support to report the issue. And that's it. Hopefully your app is running smoothly. Again. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.